really dislike the word belly dance. I prefer to use the word Egyptian dance because this is the dance of our culture, of our people. We usually refer to it as dance of the East or just Egyptian dance or Baladi dance. Baladi means my country. People love it here, but at the same time it's problematic because it's practiced by women. Of course, in patriarchal societies, women are seen as people who should be staying at home and not seen by the public. People don't see the classical ballet as problematic, and the reason for this is because classical ballet is a European art form, and so because of the colonization of Egypt and the colonialist way of thinking, sometimes Egyptians look down on their own culture. The fact that this dance is sometimes sexualized is simply because it exists in bars and clubs that are geared towards the male gaze. They are there for the entertainment of men. So the fact that women are forced always in the public eye to dance in places that are associated with alcohol subjects a lot of the women practitioners of this dance to a great deal of danger, as well as judgment by society, as well as subjecting them to various forms of harassment. We're actually in the fundraising period now to compile this file that we will present to UNESCO to register the dance as National Intangible Heritage. I was having a discussion with a dear friend recently who I think had my best interest at heart, but he simply told me that straight out that he didn't think I should go through with the UNESCO registering the dance simply because he didn't think people would take me very seriously simply because I'm a dancer. And so the fact that, you know, as an attractive woman who is a performer, he didn't feel that it was my area to enter the space of research and heritage. This is a perfect example of what we deal with every day.